Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna try a bunch of new makeup I bought at Matte+Poreless in Guam. Matte+Poreless is a discount store which we don't have in Japan. So I got really excited and I bought a bunch of new makeup. So the first products are foundations, which are Bare Minerals Original Liquid Mineral Foundation. I bought the shade Golden Beige 13. So the original price of this was $39 and currently the price is reduced to $27.30 and I bought this at $13, so it is a fairly good deal. And the other foundation is this Laura Mercier Silk Cream Oil-Free Foundation. This seems to be discontinued, but the original price was $49 and now it is reduced to $34 and I bought this at $8.49 and I bought this in the shade 3C1 Dune. Now I noticed also this Bare Mineral foundation seems to be being discontinued. So today I tried this Laura Mercier foundation. So again, the shade I bought is 3C1 Dune, which is described as light medium with neutral undertones. So the packaging says this is a natural matte finish foundation. And I already applied my primer, which is this LH Cosmetics Matte Attack Primer. So first I'm gonna apply this on this side of my face. I'm gonna use the damp beauty blender. So I put the foundation on this side of my face. The color match is fairly good. And this foundation applies very beautifully on my face. There is no picking up dry patches or something. So I'm gonna apply this foundation on this side of my face. So I applied this foundation on my entire face and it looks pretty good. This foundation isn't accentuating my textures. So far I am liking this Laura Mercier foundation, but I don't know until I do a wear test. So I'm gonna write how it wears throughout the time, so please check the pinned comment down below. So I'm gonna set the foundation with this one size translucent powder. So I put the powder on this side of my face and it looks pretty flawless. And my pores are blurred really well. Yeah, I am impressed. And next I bought two eyeshadow palettes, which are these Lime Crime eyeshadow palettes. This is Venus XL palette and this is Venus XS Majestic Muse palette. So the original price of this XL palette is $50 and I bought this at $15. And for this original price is $20 and now it's sold at $15 and I bought this at $5. So this Venus XL palette is like this pinky toned palette, and this Venus XS palette is like more grungy toned. So today I'm gonna use this XL palette because the lips will be more of like pinky toned. So first I'm gonna use this shade called Fresca with Zoeva 228 brush. The same shade on my lower lash line with Lefa 12 brush. And next I'm gonna use this shade called Botticelli with same Lefa 12 brush. I'm gonna deepen up the outer corner. And next I'm gonna use this shade called Inspire. This is a shimmery pinky shade. And I'm gonna put this on all over my face. No, all over my lid. And I'm gonna use this shade called New Classic. This is a brown shimmery shade. And put it on the lower lash line. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of this pinky shade. So this is the eye look with Lime Climb Venus XL palette. So the shimmer shades of this palette is pretty thin, so I'm not sure this is worth $50, but for $15, yeah, this is worth it. And next products are highlighters. I bought 3 highlighters. The one is this Jaclyn Cosmetics mini highlighter in the shade Iced. And the one is Give Beauty Check My Glow highlighter in the shade Homegrown Glow. And the other is Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter in the shade Diamond Fire. So Jaclyn Cosmetics one and the Too Faced one seems discontinued, so I cannot find the original price, but I bought this one at $5, no, $4.49, and I bought this at $20, and the original price of this Give Beauty highlighter is $30, and now it is sold at $21 at Sephora, and I bought this at $6. yeah, this is pretty good deal. So let's swatch all three. So first, this Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighter in iced, like this. So this highlighter is from Jaclyn Cosmetics. Yeah, this is pretty blinding. And next I'm gonna swatch this Give Beauty highlighter. Yeah, this is very pretty. So I'm gonna swirl on it. And this has a scent to it, like sweet scent. So this is the Give Beauty highlighter. This is darker than this Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighter. And the last one is this Too Faced highlighter. This is so pretty. So this is from Too Faced. This has blue hue to it. Yeah, this is pretty. So today I'm gonna use Jaclyn Cosmetics and Too Faced. So I already applied a blush. This is from SUQQU Melting Powder Blush number 10. And I'm gonna use this Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighter on this side of my face. I'm gonna apply this with Refa 27 brush. I'm gonna add a little bit. Okay, so this is Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Iced. And I'm gonna apply this Too Faced highlighter on this side of my face. So my face, the blue hue is not as strong as it looked on my hand. Yeah, this is almost white highlighter. I'm gonna add this Jaclyn Cosmetics on my nose. And on my Cupid's bow. So lastly for lips, I bought this McGrath lipstick. This is Lip Fetish Balm Diviner Lip Shine in the shade Love Interest Bright Pink Red. So the original price is $39 and I bought this at $15. So this is it looks like. And let me swatch on my hand. Oh, this is very pretty. This is like bright pink red. And this is fairly pigmented. So let me put this on my lid. So this is the shade Love Interest. So this is the final look. So again, I'm gonna add a pinned comment about how this foundation wears throughout the day. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So see you on the next video. Bye.